Hey, what's going on social media? I am Mr. Insurance, Steve Ludwig. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about something that's called ride sharing, which is also companies that have become increasingly popular over the past couple of years, such as like Grubhub, Uber Eats, DoorDash, those kind of things where essentially you have a person that signs up to deliver some food, goes, picks it up, ends up taking it to the next person's house to drop off their food, that kind of thing, and make some money for the delivery order and whatnot. Same thing kind of goes for like if a person wants to drive Uber or Lyft. Those are the similar companies with that. There's what is called Livery, okay, which is meaning that you are using your car to make money in some way, shape, or form. So this is where you get into kind of into a red area on here, okay, with the insurance companies. So what if you take the insurance that the service provides, that kind of thing? What they do is when you are actually clocked in, and when I mean clocked in is you're accepting an order or picking somebody up and you're driving to the location, you're covered from the time that happens all the way up to the time when the delivery is made, whether that's a person or food, anything like that. That's, the safe zone, if you will, okay? And then outside of the safe zone on that's essentially where like your regular insurance would be covered on those things. So we have companies that will cover that. It's going to be more expensive because you're utilizing more time. You're obviously playing around with your phone, that kind of stuff. So they know that the attention is going to be off, and you're more susceptible to getting in wrecks. It does cost more money. That's what insurance companies do. They assess risk, and then you pay based on what that assessment of risk is. But again, you want to be extremely careful. I know way too many people that they will drive their car for one of those livery type of services, and what happens is that they get into an accident and they are making a DoorDash or they are driving Uber or something like that. And guess what? Insurance company won't cover it because, again, it's outside of that safe zone. It's during the time where they were hired to do a job and then to deliver that job. And that's not within the parameters of the insurance policy. So beware, if you are doing that, stop doing it, because you are going to put yourself in a position to where your insurance is not going to cover you if you get into a wreck. Whether or not it is your fault or not, the insurance company has the rights and the objections to find their way out of paying on a claim. And mark my words when I tell you, they will definitely do it. And they're going to try to be able to devalue and try to be able to pay the least amount of money possible. So again, if you're doing it, just don't do it, okay? It's just that simple. But if you are interested in learning more about that, or if that is, a job or career that you're doing and you have questions about that, feel free to contact me. I would love to go through it. I'd love to talk to you about it. Just shoot me a message. We'll go through it and we'll talk soon. Thanks, guys.